guys, K Khabar. I hope you all are doing absolutely amazing. Thank you for clicking this video. I'm so happy you're here. थंबनेल से अब थोड़ा वो हो गया था ना आई नो आई एम सॉरी मेरे पास ना कोई और वो नहीं था फोटो नहीं था और मैंने ना एक एड शूट करा था किसी जिम के लिए बहुत साल पहले तो मैंने वही फोटो लगा दिया सॉरी आई डिडंट मीन टू डू दैट बट anyways, so for today's video I try out different workouts of the famous fitness influencers from YouTube. I try out one workout every day from Monday to Friday. I sleep on weekends. But yeah, after each workout, I share what I thought about that particular workout or how is it for beginners or for how intense it is and just my thoughts and reviews. And apart from that, to give you a background story, whenever I work out, depending upon my mood, I generally start with 20 to 30 minutes yoga and then I do some cardio. That's it. इतना ही करती हूँ मैं जब भी मेरा मूड करता है ठीक है Simultaneously, I also share my relationship with health and fitness and workouts through the video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Little disclaimer, I am not a fitness freak or a fitness enthusiast. Neither do I work out every day, nor do I have a perfect body. It's just a random girl trying out different workouts and seeing how it feels. Okay, so let's go. You know, I was never a sports girl in school or college. Actually, for the first time in life, I worked out in Bangalore 2 years back in my own room because someone commented on how I look and that kind of affected me. But I never had the courage to go to the gym because, well, insecurities. Lockdown is the time when I actually started working out religiously because I needed something to take my minds off. And I have been working out ever since. I'm not saying I'm a fitness freak or a fitness enthusiast. It just, I keep sitting on my desk the entire day. So I needed some kind of movements to keep my body moving. I'm dying. But anyways, today I did this. I'll show you. Pamela Riff. And I really like it. I like her workouts. Although कुछ मेरे लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है because I don't do that often. But it really nice. मैंने 15 minutes का dance workout करा and I'm sweating, so that is okay. I liked it. I enjoyed the whole process. Although शुरुआत में मेरे को उसके गाने के choices इतने नहीं पसंद थे, but the positive point of her dance workouts also is that she has timer. So it's not like you waste time learning the workout, but it has like assigned timer. There is no gap in between. And the other thing is that she has repeated workouts. मतलब एक गाने में सेम स्टेप रिपीट होता है which I prefer. I like personally कि ऐसे non repeated हो ताकि it doesn't get boring. But इसका repeated है but it is still okay because of the music. You don't really register that. So, and she doesn't talk at all in between, so it's just you watching her and copying her. So I liked it. You know, the problem with me, I realized why I don't seem to stick with workouts is because I kind of find it boring. So I had to find a solution. And for me, the dance workouts are like magic because it does the job, it puts me in a good mood, and I enjoy it thoroughly. Today I did, it's Tuesday today, and I did MadFit का 15 minutes का dance workout. First thing is कि इसका कोई वो नहीं है, timer नहीं है, तो you have to keep an eye on when the step is changing. But this particular workout I have done a lot many times, तो मेरे को steps actually गानों के साथ याद हो गए. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि ये गाने जब कहीं और बजते तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ओह ये workout वाला step था. But yeah, first thing is that apart from that, it's fun, and this workout feels more like a dance routine than a workout, so it's more fun for me. And इसमें बीच में एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स है, जैसे पमिला रिफ में कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं था तो 15 मिनट वॉज एट अ स्ट्रेच, बट यहाँ सांस लेने का थोड़ा मौका मिलता है. एंड आई ऑल्सो जब मैंने स्टार्ट करा था तो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग हर डांस वर्कआउट्स, एंड आई फील फॉर बिगिनर I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं प्रो, बट अगर आप रोज़ वर्कआउट नहीं करते एंड यू जस्ट सडनली वांट टू किक स्टार्ट, तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन, क्योंकि इट्स फन एंड इट्स ईजी, इट्स नॉट दैट हार्ड, मतलब इतना इंटेंस नहीं है. तो या that's all. That's the review for MadFit. I will see you tomorrow. I know that and I know this because I am also living in the same period as you are. We think that we need to have the perfect booty or flat stomach. We can blame it on the internet or the society, whoever you want. And I also personally started working out because of that only. I wanted a perfect body. But in this entire chaos, we seem to forget that that is not the only definition of being healthy. People also work out to be more active, energetic throughout the day, to have a free mind and good vibe. Working out also doesn't necessarily mean that we stop eating. I'm telling you this, and I'm telling this to myself as well. Hi, I always forgot to record this. मैं नहाने जाने वाली थी, and I was like, oh shit, मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं. Anyways, today I did Natasha Ocean, if I'm pronouncing it right, का 20-minute HIIT workout, and I liked it. I liked the session. Because first thing I liked about the workout thingy was that कि उसका ना हर एक्सरसाइज के बीच में 30 सेकेंड का रेस्ट है. And she also says that in the beginning कि when you take rest, so it's better because you can do the next exercise in your fullest capacity, which I makes sense, and I like the logic. And also I liked it because I did not, like, I was not dead by the end of the workout, but it still killed me, so that is good. Second thing I liked about her workout is ki her music choice is brilliant, all bangers, so I absolutely loved it. I love music that keeps like hitting my ears so that I can get more josh. So yeah, and apart from that, I like her accent. That's not important, but yeah, all in all, it was a good workout session, and I did the apartment friendly non-equipment wala. I'll put a screenshot for sure. And yeah, that's all. And oh, you know what? It's been snowing all since morning. Like मैं जब से उठी हूँ तब से snow हो रहा है, snowfall हो रहा है, and it looks so dreamy and like magic. I'm loving it. So from now on, we will work out to be a better version of ourselves, to live longer, happier, and do all the things just for ourselves and our body, not for others. Also, you know, only once I have made a fitness related video in my channel, and I kind of had jinxed it for some time. So it's your responsibility now to keep a check on me as well, okay? Today I did Lily Sabri ka workout, and this is by far my most favorite. अभी तक जितना भी मैंने करा था पूरे वीक में, she is my favorite. I usually do her workouts only. The things that I love the most about her workouts are, first, that she keeps talking throughout the workout session. Like, she'll keep motivating you, and this feels like you have a personal trainer by your side. So it feels very encouraging, and I love that. I really need that because she kills you. And second is that her workouts are very interesting. Like, it's not traditional and boring, the same ones. She has her own twists and turns to it. So I really love that. Third, her music choice is very good. Fourth, all her workouts that I have done till now are killers. Like, it'll kill you. So yeah, she is my favorite, and I love the session today, and I need to go now. On this particular day, I did Emmy Wong HIIT workout. I used to do her workouts before, but I don't anymore because I don't really enjoy it. But this was okay, this was fine. I'm not complaining, but yeah, not one of my favorites. That's all. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, do consider subscribing to the channel, please. You can watch a few more videos before you take the decision, but if you have some time, please do. And yeah, that's all. I hope you have a great week and do not forget to smile. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.